Hi, Sarah Hatch here with Hatch Property Management and Sales, here to give you a Hatch tip of the day. I wanted to talk to you about my laser measurer. So this actually measures room sizes, and it comes in really quick handy to just measure a room length times width really fast. So you turn it on just by pushing down this button right here, and see it's measuring feet. It has a little laser. And so all you do is you aim the device little thing at the wall. You can see the little red dot. If you're a cat, you'd love this. Anyways, laser measurer. So right now my measurement is reading 14.5 feet from where I'm standing. I'm not sure if you read that. There you go. So 14.5 feet, and then you just do the width of the room, and there you go. Really quick measurements, length times width, square footage of the room, really easy. If you have any questions about this, call 703-966-2232.